Look at this integral. Now this integral looks somehow scary. We have 10 of x raised to 6 over here. We have 10 of x raised to 6 over here. And then we have x raised to 5 over here. Now if I substitute, let's see, if I substitute u equals to x raised to 6, then let's see what comes. Then my du will be 6 into x raised to 5 dx. du upon 6 equals to x raised to 5 into dx. We have this. What about limit? When x tends to 6 root of 4, then what about u tends to 4, right? And then when x tends to 6 root of 8, then u tends to 8. So this is equals to, this become 4 to, limit become 4 to 8. X, what about this? This is 10 of u upon 10 of here 12 minus u plus 10 of u into, okay. Now x raised to 5 into dx become du upon 6. Here we have du upon 1 by 6. Okay. Now here I will use King's formula. So my t will be what? 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 minus u. Then my dt is become my dt become my dx, minus dx. How about limits? When u tends to 4, then t tends to 8. When u tends to 8, then t tends to 4. So is equals to 1 by 6. Limit 4 to 8 become 8 to 4, 10 u. Here we 10 of, what is, instead of u I have to write from here, what is u? U equals to 12 minus t. So here I will write 12 minus t upon 12 minus u is 10 of t plus, what is 10 u? Here this is same as 10 of 12 minus t, and this is same as du is same as what? Sorry, this is dt, this is my du, right? So is same as, du is same as minus dt. So I will write here minus dt. This minus I will change limit over here. Okay, so I will change, instead of 8 to 4, I will change 4 to 8 with this minus. Now if I consider this as a I, okay, and this is another I, okay. Remember f of x dx, here a to b is same as integral of a to b f of u du. The values are same. So I can write over here this also. For timing u is over here, I will write over u over here, here u over here with respect to u. So if I add this to I plus I, become twice I on the left hand side is equals to, limit is, here we have 1 by 6, integral is 4 to 8. 4 to 8. Here denominators are same. This denominator and this denominator are same. So what I can write is 10 of u plus 10 of 12 minus u. As well as here in numerator, what we have, this plus this. So we have 10u plus 10 of 12 minus u into du. So this gets cancelled. We have 1 is equals to 1 by 6. And then this integral with respect to u become u we have, and then limit is from 4 to 8. Here 1 by 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 by 6 into 4. Here 2 3s are 2 2s are. Here we have 2 by 3. On the left hand side we have twice I. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore I equals to 1 by 3. This is the required answer for this integral.